Welcome to this Ansible tutorial. By the end, you'll understand why Ansible is a game changer for automation. We'll cover core concepts, guide you step by step, and ensure you're ready to apply it practically. Think of it as your shortcut to mastering automation without the headaches. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk automation. Imagine doing repetitive tasks every day, boring, right? Automation takes the grunt work out of IT processes, making things faster and error-free. From deploying servers to managing configurations, automation lets you focus on real problem solving instead of pushing buttons. So how does Ansible fit into the automation world? It's like having an intelligent assistant that automates everything smoothly. No extra software, no unnecessary complexity, just straightforward automation. Stick around, and I promise this will be easier than setting up your Wi-Fi router. Ansible is the hero of IT automation. It makes managing servers effortless by letting you define tasks in simple YAML files. No complex configurations, no agents, just pure efficiency. If automation had a no-drama policy, Ansible would be the poster child. Why should you learn Ansible? Well, it makes IT automation ridiculously simple. Whether managing hundreds of servers or automating deployments, Ansible has your back. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to reduce workload and still look like an IT genius? Alright folks, let's dive straight into installing Nginx. First we download and install it easy peasy. Then let's check if it's actually running. If it isn't, well, something went wrong, but don't panic. Next, we set up our first basic configuration so we're serving content in no time. And finally, the fun part, testing. If it fails, congratulations, you've just earned debugging practice. Why custom Ansible modules? Because sometimes the built-ins just don't cut it. We start with a simple Python script. Don't worry, no rocket science here. Then we weave it into our Ansible playbooks so it actually does something useful. Of course, nothing works on the first try, so testing and debugging become your best friends. Managing inventory is like organizing your sock drawer. It saves time when done right. First, we group hosts in inventory files so we know who's who. Next, dynamic inventory takes over for cloud resources, because manually updating it is just painful. We also group hosts logically for easier management. And finally, best practices keep our inventory neat and tidy. Ansible's architecture, it's simpler than it sounds. We've got the control node calling the shots while managed nodes do the heavy lifting. Modules, plugins, playbooks, it's like Ansible's toolbox for automation magic. Role-based execution makes scaling automation a breeze. And of course, security, because nobody likes unexpected surprises in their infrastructure. Troubleshooting, the part where we prove our patience. First, error messages, don't ignore them, they're trying to help. Then, debugging with verbosity. Sometimes you just need all the details. Logging makes life easier by giving us clues when things go wrong. And best practices, they save us from future headaches. Enough theory, let's see Ansible in action. Automating deployments makes scaling easy. Managing configurations across multiple servers keeps everything consistent. CI/CD ensures seamless updates without downtime. And high availabilities, well, that's just making sure things don't break when you least expect it. That's a wrap. We've covered a lot: installing, configuring, automating, and troubleshooting with Ansible. Common pitfalls, they'll happen, but now you know how to dodge them. Need more resources? They're out there: docs, forums, and fellow Ansible nerds. And my final tip, keep experimenting, because that's how the best automation happens. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.